come chill. Come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come chill with Topic. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe. Come chill with Topic. Come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come chill with Topic. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. Come and chill, come and chill. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. Come and chill. Ain't nothing like ride missing highs and they extra clear. When you turn it up, you hear the music piercing in your ear. Bass knob on the subs in the trunk, I had to come and deal. When the trunk shaking, you can feel the airquake. What good, fam? Y'all already know, man. It's another day. It's another vibe. Welcome back to another video. Topic and chill. We got the Merc right here. The mechanic did everything. He checked the oil pressure. He checked the fuel pressure. So all this checking out. The car got a slight miss to it with all the new parts being on it. We still kind of let it level itself out. But one thing I didn't do was get the initial coils installed. So that may be a huge issue with today. That's what we gonna try to get this miss out. But I'm finna crank the car up and I'm gonna pull it out, turn it back around. Alright, y'all, let's get it, man. I'm finna go and start a little bit. Y'all work this stuff out. Alright, there you go right there. So that's initial coil right there. Got to be one. Got to be initial coil, you know what I'm saying? Cause we ain't got no check-ins and like no check-in like then I also got y'all hear the alternator? The alternator finna go. Guaranteed. eBay Motors, guys. We got us some super coils right here. For the car, man. They look like. Got the super coils. I done had this about a year, so it may work, it may not work, but I'm thinking my mass airflow sensor good. But here go an extra one just in case. What else? Alright, fam. But all in all, man, the motor look good. Motor look good. You know what I'm saying? Everything looking good up under the hood, dog. But we finna go ahead and start getting some of these components off. Then after that, we'll start to change the addition coils, man. So y'all stay tuned.
Alright, y'all. So look, side note, when you doing any kind of work on your car and you changing the electrical, make sure that you unplug the battery before you do anything. You know what I'm saying? So this gonna take 15 minutes or more to change all these. I'm gonna make sure, so that'll give the ECU plenty enough time to reset. We're gonna let the car reprogram itself. But initial coils right here. Alternator go get installed after the fact if everything go good in. We just got this in right here. Told y'all guys it was hard to find a motor mount, man. Hard as hell to find them. It's supposed to be the right one, y'all. I'm hoping that this is the right motor mount. I'm praying that this is the right motor mount. Oh yeah, I think this is it right here, y'all. Yeah, so we got the brand new motor mounts right here. They look just like the damn alternator, really. But yeah, man, this should fix my deal right here. Brand new mounts for the motor, so yeah. And I'm already guessing that the other one in that bottom box right there. But yeah, man, finna get ready to start on the initial coils. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, man, we really getting into it, man, for real, for real. And just to be honest with y'all, I know a lot of y'all probably say, oh, he just got his car back from the mechanic. Why is he fixing on it? Man, my mechanic told me to get some initial coils, but me being me, I'm like, okay, they brand new, so I ain't gonna need them. But eventually, unfortunately, I think I do. And I think they gonna fix the problem because on these last two coils right here, every time I would unplug and plug them back up, I wouldn't notice the difference in the engine running. All right, y'all. So we got all these initial coils out right here. I went in the inside just to double check all my spark plug. I'm telling y'all, very clean up in there, man. Look at that. Look how clean it is up in there. Yeah. Yeah, man, it clean. Yeah, guys, everything look pretty clean up in there. So we're finna go ahead and install these initial coils. These the old ones right here. I'm gonna go over here and grab 4 new ones. Yeah, man, finna go ahead and throw them in. Alright, y'all, so that's how they look when they're in. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these down, and we're gonna do the other side. After that, we're gonna hop on to the alternator. Y'all bear with me. Alright, fam, so we got all the initial coils in. There go 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, y'all know how it go, you know what I'm saying? 1, 3, 5, and 7. Then we got 2, 4, 6, and 8 over here. Everything plugged up, all the injectors plugged up. I was looking in the throttle body well, man. Look at it. You know what I'm saying? We'll get to the throttle body too, but it ain't that dirty. But I'm gonna clean that ring out right there. Y'all see that ring? I don't know if y'all can really see it, but you know what I'm saying? You pretty much know what I'm talking about. So, yeah, we're gonna just clean that throttle body out. We're finna go ahead and change the alternator now. We got the alternator right here. Power side, ground side right here. You know what I'm saying? You can ground it here. On the back side, wherever you want to ground it, you can pretty much ground it. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. But yep. Alternator right here, guys. Gonna go ahead and install it. This the old alternator right here. And this the new alternator. So shit, that's what we gonna have to do first and foremost. So I might have to go ahead and run to the parts store and get a shorter belt because it said it up on let me show y'all something. Okay, here you go, belt size tension. A shorter belt is usually required around ½ an inch shorter. Slippage and loose belt will cause alternator not to function properly and will cause premature failure. All right, y'all, so, man, we looking back over everything. We got everything plugged in, tightened down. Got the alternator tightened back down. Put that right there. Yeah, all I gotta do is go get a shorter belt. They said about ½ an inch shorter. And so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Then we'll install the alternator later on. But they said I might have to get a smaller belt. Just to get, excuse me, they said I might have to get about 3 belts just to save trips to the store. So I'm gonna get one that's ½ an inch shorter, and I'm gonna get one that's 3/4 of an inch shorter. So we'll do that. But yeah, guys, we got everything installed. All this before. So man, we finna go ahead and crank up, man. I just hope she go ahead and level out. Wait for one. Nothing up here. I really want to check in, like, come on. With another video. So look, 2 weeks ago I had got the car back, but it wasn't running right. So I sent it back to my mechanic because it was running poor, y'all. So before I went along and broke anything or tore anything up or damaged anything, I called him. He told me to bring the car right back up there. But I had changed the ignition coils in the car, in the mass airflow sensor, and the car still had ran bad. So he just gave it back to me. The car running 100 times better than what it was running, and we even getting the acceleration to go faster. The car not smelling lean or nothing. We just got like a little simple mist. So I'm thinking with water being in the gas tank, get a car a good gas treatment. And this is what I use. I wanted to show y'all. STP gas treatment. I had watched a video. This is the closest thing to alcohol. Now, if you can't afford this, man, go get some alcohol. You know what I'm saying? 90 to 100%, and that'll work as well with taking that water out your gas tank. So we gonna try that first, man. We gonna try that first. And guys, all he was really doing was the engine overhaul. So over those 4 months, my car just been sitting up in a squatted position, and with my gas tank not being fully secured, I'm like, yeah, it's a pretty good chance that this gas cap was allowing the snow and stuff to get up in here when it was melting. So I'm thinking that would happen. But I'm finna install a fuel filter, and we go install an air filter, and we also going to put the original mass airflow sensor on here. Then we gonna see how the car run. I'm gonna crank up for y'all. She sound real good. She not smoking or nothing, bro. So if we can get this car fully running without missing and just get it to rolling, that'll be good. We can start on our car audio. Yes, sir. She cranking and riding, guys. Hold on. Yeah, man, she cranking. Let me let y'all hit on pipes. Oh yeah, man. I'm finna so look, this what I'm finna do. She got some better calm down, so like she ain't getting as much fuel that she was wrong. I already told y'all my favorite store is Van Auto Part, man. We got the air filter, part number 88134, and we got the Motorcraft fuel filter, and that's part number FG-1114. We're gonna attack this fuel filter first. I normally would use a jack, but I've changed it before on this car. Last time I had a miss, but this don't seem like no miss spot because the car sounds damn good. But that's the fuel filter right there. I'm gonna go bleed the pressure off, and we go change the fuel filter. Then we go put the mass airflow sensor on and the air filter. Alright, y'all, so check these out. This the old fuel filter. Like I say, man, probably with water up in it, cause when I was pouring everything out, both sides were flowing through and through. So thinking it's water, guys, but you got a new one. Got a new one installed, real simple. Clip here. Then you got another clip right there on the other side. All you gotta do is push those clips out and take these pins off and just replace the filter and follow the arrow. If the arrow pointing this way, have it that way. Wherever the arrow pointing, it's supposed to go toward the front of the car. You know what I'm saying? All right, let me show y'all. Like on here, see that arrow? Meaning that it's gonna go this way toward the engine. Cause the fuel goes in from the gas tank and the fuel pump. Go send it down through the fuel filter, which go clean it, then go up to your fuel injectors. Alright, man, we got that straight. That part of business. Now we got our mass airflow sensor. Think ready to change that bad boy right now. And we need our air filter. But guys, when you having misfires and no check engine, like, man, just do the little stuff first. Cause little stuff like this really matters. Later in the evening, once the sun started going down, so I still got just a little more time to chill out and shit, you know what I'm saying? Move our filter. See this filter right here, 30 here. Go back here with a brand new one. It's supposed to be the better version of this one. You know what I'm saying? So, see it right up in there. She sit flush. Y'all see what's going on. She's sitting real flush. Put the filter back on. Put the thing in this case. Lock it up. Lock it up. Okay, guys, so this is the original mass airflow sensor that go to this one. I went back with the original OME one. Alright, that's the air filter. All I gotta do now is plug this jump back up. And man, it seems like I just gotta drive the car and get all the residue out of it. All the debris and the water and all that. So let's crank up again, y'all. Hold on, y'all. I forgot I gotta charge that line back up. I got you. There we go. Let it idle down by itself, man. See if we started missing or something. Guys, we finna go ahead and just take around the corner. I ain't gonna do nothing too much. I just wanna just see how what she pulling like. Yeah, we got like a little small little hesitation. Yeah, man, we still got like a little mid, bro. So I'm just gonna take her for a little drive real quick. We're gonna see what we can get out of it. Alright, y'all, so we ain't pulling how we supposed to be. He told me to drive this motherfucker, man. We gonna drive and see what's going on. Woo! Wee! Yeah, guys, we gotta drive her, man. most definitely got a driver. Just put on the highway for a little bit, man. Sound like she really got water up there. We gotta go get like a little front end alignment or something because it kind of swaying on the road. So man, that just be something added on to the list. Cause we got like a little miss from the jump, but we go figure it out, bro. I think it's like might do the O2 something. Oh yeah, man, we doing 10 times better. Like I say, man, we gotta see what it is. Might be the throttle body or something. We gonna clean the throttle body. We gonna do all that, man, cause it's something very small, man. We go do all that, man. Yeah, man. I mean. Yeah, man, it's something simple, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and get this shit finished. Get it fixed, get it worked out. Okay. Know that I'm not getting too much fuel. And we also got to check in light, so let's see, man. Alright, fuel pump charge. Okay. Fuel just hit that front right there. Oh yeah, y'all, we gotta check in like too. Now watch how I owl back up. see it ain't missing on this side, nor this side right here. So that let me know right off the bat that's not an ignition core, that's not a spark plug, or a fuel injector, bro. We gotta check engine light. Now when my check engine light come on, it's either one or two things. So for one, when my check engine light come on, I know that it's because I have no catalytic converter. So that's for one. But I'm gonna get me a scanner and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna run that code and I'm gonna see what that code though. Then we're gonna do some diagnostics. But
TNC fine, what good, man? It's a vibe, come chill. Come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come chill with top it. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe. Come chill with top it. Come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come chill with top it. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, come and chill, come and chill. It's a vibe, come and chill. Ain't nothing like ride with missing highs and they extra clear. When you turn it up, you hear the music piercing in your ear. Bass knob on the stubs in the trunk, I had to come and dear. When the trunk shaking, you can feel the air quaking. Just like a LMO tuner whipping, it go crazy. 2000 RP tuner, 30 hertz, watch how the bass it. You know it sound good when it's up doing the matrix. STLs called the vibe, the way that they was getting wavy. Come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come chill with top it. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe. Come chill with top it. Come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come and chill, come chill with top it. It's a vibe, come and chill, come and chill. It's a vibe, come and chill.